Hello you guys, and this is ClickFace Creations with you today. And today we are creating a button with an on-click animation part 2. So if you haven't, go ahead and watch part 1. Part 1 is where we do all the styling and stuff, and that's where we left off. So for this video, I want to make it so when I click this button, the background changes to white or any other color, but I'm just going to, for this video, I'm doing white. I'm going to first have to connect it, so I'm going to do script src, which is, if you don't know, will basically link the file to this index.html. Since my file is named index.js, I'm going to write index.js. But if your file is named something else, write down that something else, not what I'm writing, since this will only connect to this file. Like if you have another file that you are trying to connect to that's a JavaScript file, write down that name, like script, and then but since my JavaScript file is index.js, I'm going to write that, and so now I close that off, Control Save. Remember to click Control S so we can save it. Now you're going to go to index.js, and we are going to be, so you're going to you're going to head to, you see I didn't write anything here because I do not have an on click on the button. So I'm going to go on click, and since I want the background color to just become white, I'm going to just write down white, and I'm going to head to here. I'm going to click that, and I'm going to just do this. Function, you're going to write down function, function, and write down white. Well, you have to write the exact letters that you wrote. Since I done white and with parentheses, you have to do the parentheses at the end though. Like you have to. No, like that you have to. So you're going to go white. Well, I'm going to go white. But remember, you have to have this. This will not work without it will not work without the parentheses. So I have to keep those parentheses. Also, even with the on click, like right here, like if I don't have these, the function will not work. And even if I don't have the parentheses on here and here, it'll still not work. I'll show you later on to prove it. But first, let's get ready. So you're gonna write down document .body .style, and I'll pause for a minute just to allow you guys to type this, and you're gonna do, and so you can do 10 seconds later to get there. Now you're gonna write down background, BACKGROUND. And now you're going to use space equal, like you have to have that space. You are not going to be able to do it without the space. You're going to double quote, write down, so for this video, I'm going to just write down white since I want the background color to be white. You can write down black, anything you want, but for this, I'm going to just write white. Control Save. I'm going to open here, and I'm going to open index dot here, refresh, and you see nothing happened yet. It's because I didn't click the button. Watch, when I click the button, did I save it? Maybe, maybe not. So, dot white, Control S. Now I'm going to head back, refresh. That happened. See? The background color is now white. You see, look, the whole background color is white. Refresh, the background color is black. Click white. Refresh, black. Click white. So, and that's how you do it. But now, since I was telling you guys, I'll show you what happens if I get rid of this. So I'm just going to get rid of this. And like this. Control S. And I'm going to go in here. Control S. And I'm going to open this page right now. And look. And I'll head to the next page. The other one. And I need to refresh it. If you don't refresh it, it won't happen. And it even says that there's an error since I forgot to bring that back. If I do Control S and I reopen it, I'm going to reopen it and click Control. Now I'm going to click on it. I forgot to click Control S, of course, on here. So Control S, and make sure you hit Control S for every single one, or else this probably won't work. And okay, maybe I did a mistake. White. What did I put it in correctly? Control save. I'm gonna head into here, refresh, and now I'm gonna click on it. And that's how you do it, folks. Make sure to watch part 1 if you haven't. Please subscribe and turn on the notification channel for more content.